Adjunct's Kitchen. We make affordable, easy to prepare, and delicious meals for you part-time cooks and for your full-time eaters. My name is Chad Seeger, and today we're going to be making an incredible side dish for barbecue or lunch or whenever, the Adjunct Kitchen's own potato salad.
The must-haves for this dish are any kind of potato, mayonnaise, any kind of mustard, green onion, salt, and pepper. The optionals are celery, vinegar, and thyme. The steps for making this dish are to prep, boil, and then drain and cool the potatoes. Prep the rest of the ingredients, then mix everything together. Plate and serve.
Step 1 is to cut the potatoes. A lot of them. You're aiming for decent-sized cubes, but don't obsess. Variety is part of the fun. Put about a liter of water into a pot and then bring it up to a boil. Give the potatoes another good rinse before you boil them. Careful when you add the potatoes. The water is extremely hot. Stir occasionally to avoid sticking. After about 8 minutes, remove the potatoes from heat. Drain the potatoes and cool them as soon as you can, in a fridge if possible. While the potatoes are cooling, cut the ends off the green onions and then cut them into small pieces. Same with the celery, but depending on the width, you may want to cut them lengthwise as well. After your potatoes are cool, putting them in a big mixing bowl. And then add the rest of the ingredients. And give it all a good mix. Somehow I always end up adding more black pepper. And then spoon them into a bowl or a plate. Get them ready to serve. And there we have the Adjunct Kitchen own potato salad. Potato salad isn't really that hard. It packs a flavor punch well beyond its cost. Well, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or requests for other dishes you'd like to see on the show, leave them in the comment section below. Like and subscribe if you like what you saw, and I'll see you on the next Adjunct's Kitchen.